I don't know if we'll be talking in this video. We probably won't, but I'm explaining to myself what's going on. We finna go out today. We finna hang out. Y'all are coming for the ride.
That beat come in so hard and so nasty.
I stick to the block. No time for the thoughts. No time for the box. She goes to get a knot. Hey, off-white.
Oh. Yeah, he's taking shower. He don't want you. He stopped raining. He said, I'm going to New York and take shower.
all the floods.
Baby, this liquor got me stuck up in my feelings. Okay, I'm gonna make that pussy pay for leaving. Okay, even if I gotta turn real evil, I'm gonna make you fucking feel it. Fuck your mama, fuck your grandma, both of them hoes you never had. Big red bills and like Santa. Pull up on that bitch with no fucking manners. So yeah, throwing dirt up on my name and now it's filthy. Treating me like I'm notorious and I'm guilty. In front of you it should be getting real chilly. And I'm praying on this honey don't kill me, yeah. So I'm counting up the cash by my lonely little baby. 11 for hours, what them pussies used to pay me. You a low life, getting hot on a daily. 7 wild turkey, shorty thick like some gravy. You know really finna go and hit that later. Pussy be acting up, thinking that he be on Broadway. Girl, pull up and push his shit back right in broad day. Putting 20 hoes inside my wall, I'm moving far away. Look at all them lies, he talking right about his prostate. I upgraded a visa, next time I see you.
Get it bouncing, yeah. Look at her style from the street. Look at her style from the ghetto. This I will never make it big. Me, I tell them say, oh no. Look at me, I style from the street. Look at me, I style from the ghetto. This I will never make it big. Me, I tell them say, oh. Me go on my knees to the Calvary tree. Me, I pray. Me telling God everything me I need.
Okay. Okay.
I know. Like, clubs not what they used to be no more. Like, you could go out and have a funky good time. It's gonna be fights and shit or whatever, but you could still remember, like, man, we had fun. You know, now it's like, you really have to be like in the mood to go out and deal with all that.
Yeah.
Concerts used to be a little bit different. That's when we used to like go on the southwest side. That's when all the clubs was on the southwest, and man, oh my god, oh memories. Oh my god, I used to do a lot.
Back daddy is that's cute.
From far away she looks so good. Grew up in the same neighborhood, and that's how to rub salt in the wound. Spend a few hours on the reservoir. Never broke a bone, so I'm gonna try hard to prove you wrong. That I'm not who I used to be. I'm not living at 17. Let's go.
feet away, she's like a primrose. You're never taking me alive, so come close. And I know why you said it, 'cause I'm reading every word in your voice. Now I'm not who I used to be, and maybe it's a good thing, got a good thing coming, it's a good thing that we're not who we used to be. We're not who we used to be, and maybe that's a good thing. We're not who we used to be, and maybe that's a good thing. Sometimes I'm a loner, I wish that you lived closer.